Good day, everybody. Welcome once again. My name is Sarenza. On this video, we are going to look at how you can provide simple and easy to read string in Python. Sometimes you might have some bunch of numbers and some bunch of dates that you really want to output properly. So you somebody that might not be a programmer, you want them to understand what you're actually trying to pass across to them. So there is an easy library that allows us to do this, and the library is called Humanizer. You can easily use pip to install the library, and then you now import it and you can now work with it. So the first example we are going to look at is in a comma format. Sometimes you have a bunch of numbers and you want to split it by commaing out in thousands. So and maybe in thousands on 100. 100 is far more better. So you want to comma out the in 100 and then make it easier for somebody to split it in thousands. And then this one is another to convert numbers in word. Those things we used to do when we are young. They say write this in words, and you can easily tell it to convert a number in words, and it's going to do it for you. And then let's see this as an example, and so that we can see how it works. Okay, see now we have comma out the numbers in 100. I cannot be able to read this 951,009, and then you cannot see this is 10 billion. As in, by me looking at this, you might not know how many thousands are in it, but by using Humanizer, you cannot see that this is a 10 billion, even though it didn't really capture all the hundreds that are here, and then the units that are after it. And then another way you can use it is in date and time. See now, I think it's going to print out the natural date of this and this. Let's do that. You can see here I printed the natural date. He just printed, okay, this is the natural date. He printed the whole date, and then he now tell you to print the natural day. He also printed this. So this is a very, very handy library if you are going to work with maybe actually trying to output something that a human can really read and understand, so that that person will not crack up his head. Some people might not have time to actually, I believe the dates are numbered. So some people you might just easily just output that this is June instead of making them to crack their head which month is the 6 months, and then and every other thing. Thank you for your time, and then God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel and then like and reshare. Thank you once again.